Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to have an exciting trading session because I'll be trading on IQ Option, and this time I'm starting with a small balance, just $50. Let's see how this goes. So make sure you stay with me until the end, because who knows, maybe we can turn this small amount into something big. I'm using a tested and proven trading bot that has shown consistent results. Today, I'm going to connect this bot directly to IQ Option, and we'll see how it performs in real market conditions. So make sure you stick around until the end, because this could get really interesting. All right, traders, I've just placed a trade based on the signal and analysis provided by this bot. It's really simple to use, even if you're a beginner, but I highly recommend using the 5-minute technical analysis, because that's where this bot shows its highest accuracy. And if you'd like to download or get full access to this bot, just check the video description for more information. All right, traders, my first trade was a success. And of course, I'm not stopping there. I'm moving on to the next trade. So make sure you stay with me until the end so you can see the final results for yourself. Thanks for watching. And let's keep the trades rolling.